Bismillah, ayo. Saya ganti thumbnail dulu, Pak. Browser. Pimpinan, aduh. Oke, langsung aja kita ke eFootball League. Push divisi rank. Aduh, ya ampun. Ini dia. Dari files. Ini dia. Udah, save. Keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia. Mana nih? Ini dia. Oh, sudah ada thumbnailnya. Mantap. Nah, yuk. Ntar lu. Ini dia. Oh, sudah ada. Ada. Berarti udah ya. Aman ya? Mau aman ya? Ya udah, lanjut. Langsung gas. Uh, 123. Mantap. Subscriber udah 123. 1 2 3. 123 mantap loh. Oke. Not bad, not bad. Halo Bang, udah lihat special dish Ramadan? Gila banyak game, sumpah. Special dish Ramadan langsung in loh, langsung di kayak home, kayak di berandanya langsung loh. Ada kayak game gitu. Keren, aku nih apaan? Pas aku pencet, oh promo. Kamu ini ngecek apa, Last of Us Part 2. The Last of Us Part 2 cuma 200 ribuan, sumpah. Last of Us Part 2 loh itu. Yang thumbnailnya Ellie itu. Waduh. Menggoda. Kenapa baru dikeluarin sekarang? Iya, aku mau beli Naruto sama Horizon. Aku udah ada Horizon. Aku pengennya sih ini tuh yang apa, Last of Us Part 2. Duh, pengen banget aku itu. Masa cuma 200 ribu Pak game gitu? Kapan lagi dapat game kayak gitu 200 ribu? Full game lagi. Itu aku udah main. Oh, kamu udah main. Kamu main Last of Us. Hebat juga Anda. Itu game berat loh padahal. Maksudnya apa namanya, game berat ini, rada keras, game keras gitu loh. Main kamu sendiri yang main atau kamu nonton? Apalagi ada Top Gear. Aku belum cek semuanya sih, cuma tadi apa namanya ada Last of Us Part 2 itu yang aku lihat tadi. Terus ada beberapa game-game Jepang nggak jelas. Sama tadi ada Overcooked, ada Red Dead, kalau nggak salah tadi ada Red Dead Redemption. Jojo Cyberpunk, emang ada Cyberpunk? Terus tadi ada Ghost Recon Breakpoint. Belum aku scroll sampai bawah sih.
The Emirates Stadium in all its glorious modernity, this symbol of new Arsenal.
Cyberpunk yang 2077. Aku belum scroll sampai bawah soalnya. Scroll cepet doang tadi.
Neymar surely he has an array of skills that can elevate the quality of a match or change its course with a flash of brilliance.
Mulai ngelag dah.
His talent can take this game to a higher level of excitement.
Florian Wirtz. Kiri ada Neymar Junior.
He will be a central feature, no doubt.
Salah. Ada Dragon Ball Z. Oh, Dragon Ball ya, ada jadi Dragon Ball. Banyak yang menggoda jadi mobil semua. Sumpah. Pengen Pak semua Pak. Ai kok ngelek aja nih. Kenapa ya kok nge-lag banget ya?
That's been
Dari gamenya atau
intercepted.
network udah?
Moved on forwards.
Oh,
that was vital. Now
ayo
looking
dong,
to
berhenti dong,
orchestrate a
nge-lag-lagnya dong,
counter.
udah dong.
Inzaghi.
Jangan lama-lama.
Otavio.
Thomas Partey, come on,
Played him
let's
through
go.
here.
Partey,
Can he finish?
streamnya lag, bukan streamnya yang nge-lag, apa namanya, ininya yang nge-lag, gamenya yang nge-lag.
So a
Streamnya
third of the
aman,
match or thereabouts
gamenya yang lag
gone,
ini.
and we still await the first goal.
Iya aman streamnya,
Now it's Romario.
gamenya aja ini. Tahu dari kemarin game
Partey
eFootball nih
gets the better
nge-lag
of his
aja.
opponent and gets the ball. Otavio.
Ayo kiri, yes. Florian Wirtz tengah, dor, gila keren banget gak tuh tiki taka ya? Hah? Let's go, kamu udah nyobain dong milih eFootball? Udah main eFootball?
Arsenal get themselves into the lead.
Tapi saya nggak ada Spiderman, nggak ada Spiderman Miles Morales. Oh, itu masih mahal tuh, Miles Morales tuh. Wah, astaga. Belum. Oh, belum. Ini lumayan loh gamenya.
You score, we score.
Well, that's so
You
refreshing.
score,
They went a
we
goal
score.
down, and you never would have guessed it. Their reaction has been emphatic.
He was urged
Nge-lag
to
parah,
shoot,
Pak.
and he duly delivered.
Yeah, and all engineered, Peter, by some smart running and movement. That's already something to admire. But how
Yes,
about the
Inzaghi.
pass?
Ah,
Just
kirain dapat.
wonderful.
Frankie De Jong.
There's the shot.
Astaga, nggak dapet.
He's missed
Bang, kenapa lah nggak live Horizon? Horizon lagi dimainin ayahku. Aku terlalu banyak game lagi live God of War juga aku kan. Aku lagi live God of War juga, Pak. Sebenarnya banyak ya game ya yang bisa dimainin.
Yeah. And
Cuma
that
akunya aja
interception
tahu bingung
was
kenapa itu.
most necessary. Oh, he's caught it now. It's a free kick. Well, that's a book
Itu
kick.
katanya bagus
Always
juga tuh
looks in.
Horizon Zero Dawn tuh, yang karakternya cewek pakai panah itu ya. Aku lihat trailernya di YouTube yang robot-robot itu.
Yeah.
Vieira, Patrick Vieira, Rafael Varane, Marquinhos. Naruto bagus tuh, story-nya beli bang. Naruto aku nggak terlalu ngikutin Naruto, nggak suka Naruto aku.
We're seeing some really good pressure
Kayak Naruto,
being applied
Dragon Ball
here,
aku nggak
Peter,
terlalu ngikutin, Pak.
particularly from those guys up front.
Yeah, and it just, I suppose, denies the others time
Jadi
and
ntar
space.
ntar apa namanya?
Well, I would call it
malah bingung.
blanket suffocation. Every single player is
Malah
committed to
bingung
the
Pak,
press,
ntar ini
and there's
karakter
simply no way
siapa?
out.
Ini siapa? Kok dia begini?
Good spot. He's seen the run. There's no flag.
Tarik.
Good challenge. Excellent challenge.
Astaga.
Roll.
Lo sampai 100.000, iya. Naruto-nya Naruto lama tuh, Naruto berapa? Tahun berapa itu Naruto-nya?
Looking tidy in possession here.
Salah. Terlalu cepat.
Nakata.
Harusnya rada di delay dulu tadi. Ya. Bagus.
Great defending,
Eh.
strong and determined.
Naruto Storm 4. Oh, Naruto Storm
Well
4.
seen. Saw that coming. It's run loose here. And he's away.
No.
It's a big chance. He has done
Gak
it.
apa.
And the
Hari-hari
game is
kesikat.
well and truly turned on its head. Really outwitted one-on-one. Once more, he gets the better of the keeper.
Yeah, he always had the measure of the keeper, and there was
Alah,
very
nge-lag
little
pula.
doubt as to how this was going to end up.
Tavio,
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop
Tomiyasu,
from
come on.
here?
Alah,
For me,
nge-lag
this team
lagi.
seems to find it easy, but now they're going to need to dig in at the back a bit.
Nakata.
Nakata puts his foot on the gas.
Ada Luis Figo.
Ball out to the right.
Figo.
Nakata.
Dia main defense loh, defending loh dia mainnya.
That is a brilliant
benar-benar.
interception. Vids. Well, they could break here. It's a
Tavio,
good
come
ball,
on.
He could be in. Shot could be on Inzaghi.
Ay, nggak masuk loh, bisa nggak masuk kayak gitu.
And we've reached half
Good game,
time.
good game.
So a
Nice.
really good half of football. 3 goals and just 1 separating them. So we reach the halfway point.
Well, Peter, I'm just thinking of the best way to describe that. Frantic, frenzied. It was unmissable and it was irresistible. Forget about the analysis on this one. Just enjoy it.
Rafael Varane,
Just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half.
Locatelli,
Arsenal
David
don't need
Alaba,
to press the panic button
Marquinhos,
just yet.
Rafael
They may have
Varane.
to tweak their setup first. If they don't grab an early goal in this second half, they can't hold back though.
Hits.
Roberto Carlos, good ball.
Kok gitu? Frankie De Jong,
There's his chance to lead the counter.
itu bahaya, awas. Yes. Tutup,
And
yes.
that has left him in a heap.
Belakang dulu, sabar. Balik. Frankie De Jong. Alah, nggak bisa dribbling dia, kocak.
Vieira.
Cuma bisa passing-passing
And
aja
here's
dia.
from Mario.
Nendang aja belum tentu bisa. Offside.
Raul gets flagged offside.
Ih, tipis banget. Ngeleknya.
And it's from Mario.
Ay,
In
dapat.
with the
Nice.
challenge.
Lama. Come on lah,
So
ayolah,
to
ayolah,
defend
ayolah.
the manager telling the forwards that they must stay forward for now.
Well, I think he just is concentrating
Otavio-nya
on the
padahal
shape here,
kosong gitu.
and he wants them to press as high as they can and get in the right position to do that.
Ya,
collectively.
bagus. Otavio ke tengah.
Otavio,
Ada Florian Wirtz.
Wirtz. De Jong.
Lebar ke sebelah kanan, ada Roberto Carlos.
It's Roberto Carlos. Gets his pass away. Out to the left it goes.
Ya, bagus. Florian Wirtz.
Now this
Come on.
could be a chance. Great chance.
Ya, let's go. Bagus banget, gila
Yeah,
possessionnya.
and it's very much deserved in the circumstances. In these games, it's so tempting
Come on.
to maybe get a little sorry for yourselves, but there's none of that.
That is glorious, as if he picked it
That
up and put it
is
there
glorious.
Oh, that's a measured delight. The curl he applied
Emang
was
kita harus megang
immaculate.
bola. Nggak boleh cepet-cepet.
himself. Quite a thriller this one's become.
Oh, look, Peter,
Roberto
I was on the
Carlos,
fence before the
Neymar,
goal was
ayo
kicked,
Neymar.
and, I still haven't moved.
Ay. Ya, corner.
Another chance from a corner.
Ayo, 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 ayo. Bisa yuk. 3 poin yuk. 3 poin pertama malam ini.
Punched
Aye.
away.
Neymar.
Oh, it's Inzaghi. Neymar's cross.
Wirtz,
And he was alert to it.
Bahaya nih.
And here's the
Bahaya nih.
chance to counter.
Counter kayak gini bahaya nih. Nakata.
And it's
Luis Figo.
And he's in a
Kenceng
really
banget
good
gila
position
larinya.
here now.
Eh,
Partey.
Well, Peter, he's looking particularly sharp.
And certainly on the hunt
Alah,
for
salah.
his personal treble.
Yeah, and I
Nakata.
certainly wouldn't go against that. Although he may keep an eye on the bench
Tomiyasu,
for
sabar.
fear of being taken off.
Ya. Ini nggak ada
Shiki.
orang.
Oh, good read.
Aduh, salah.
And here's from Mario.
Oh, untung aja.
It's
Lu
loose,
wibu bang?
and there's a race for
Bukan
the
pak.
ball.
Saya bukan wibu.
No way through, so back it
Nonton
comes.
anime Jepang aja kagak nyambung.
The ball again.
Apaan ini?
Nakata.
Ayo Mings. Yes. Keluar,
Well,
ayo
you
keluar,
just
ayo
love
keluar.
the level of intensity here. Neither is prepared to
bagus.
back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Ya, bagus banget gila.
He's got away. Turns and goes back. And this is Inzaghi.
Salah harusnya ke Wirtz tadi.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of
Orang
credit for their
nonton
commitment
anime
to the
aja
cause, but it's a
kayak orang
goal
dongo,
credit
Pak.
that would be most welcome now.
Ya, itu Neymar. Yes.
Neymar.
Yes, flashing.
Real chance.
Ya, itu dia.
Yes, it's
Yes. Come on.
The comeback
Is complete.
Yeah, I'd call
Neymar.
that transition with bite. They would
Neymar.
a bit hard.
Neymar. Sabar, saya ganti pemain deh. 7 shot loh kita. Wirtz ganti sini Brahim Diaz. Krunic nggak usah masuk dah. Itu aja. Pemain dia bagus-bagus nih, pemain musuhnya nih. Lah, kok ada air? Bocor apa genteng? Kok saya kecipratan air, Pak? Bocor apa gentengnya? Atap. Ayo. Dia ganti pemain. Ya.
Substitution for Arsenal.
Oh, enggak deh, kita ganti
We
pemain.
have got changes here from both
Attacking
sides, in
dia.
fact. Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
I just think this has been a lesson in character, togetherness, and composure. I think most
Ai,
teams
salah,
will
terlalu
probably now,
buru-buru, terlalu
but this
buru-buru.
refusal to give up
Harusnya
is
kita
brilliant.
mainin dulu bolanya.
Son Heung-min.
Ih, bagus banget Partey.
In the end, they found themselves penned in, nowhere to go. Nicked it back promptly,
Hmm.
and it's Inzaghi.
Nge-lag, Pak. Nge-lag, Pak. Sumpah.
Neymar. Now it's De Jong.
Ih, ayolah, jangan kebobolan lah, ayolah. Kenapa bisa lepas gitu, Partey?
Good, looking to penetrate
Ayolah.
opposition lines.
Jangan nge-lag lah, ayolah. Ayolah, kerjasama lah, kalau Nami lah, ayolah.
Intercepted.
I thought it was going to happen then. How many more chances can they realistically expect now?
Tuh, Inzaghi kosong. Nge-lag, Pak. Aduh.
De Jong.
Ayo dong. Ya ampun.
Has gone. Well, somehow they turned it round.
Itu parah banget tadi.
Every ounce of energy,
Akhir-akhir, Pak.
emotional, physical,
8
mental
shot, 7
is
on
spent.
target.
That is some win.
8 shot, 7 on target.
Reflections on what you've seen, Jim?
Gimana tuh?
Arsenal really have a team of the right chemistry, Peter.
Thomas Partey bisa kita naikin levelnya. Aduh, kok kayak ada cipratan air ya dari atas ya? Sumpah. Apa tuh? Siapa tuh? Bang, aku enggak, Sarjono. Aduh. Rada itu. Kalau yang ngomong rada aneh, Pak. Sumpah, kalau bocil yang ngomong masih masuk akal lah. Tapi kalau lu yang ngomong, iya lo bocor lo, astaga, kamarku bocor, Pak. Astaga. Kamarku bocor. Air semua ini. Tar lu, Pak, banjir, Pak. Tar lu. Banjir. Tar lu. Kok bisa banjir? Sumpah, Pak, banjir, Pak. Udah. Udah saya iniin juga pakai gayung. Dah, yuk. Lanjut. Alhamdulillah, hei. Kenapa alhamdulillah Anda? Pantesan kok ada air nyiprat-nyiprat. Ternyata banjir. Bocor atapnya. Ini apa nih? Shadow King. Event. Ayo, udah 1 2 3 nih YouTube. YouTube lagi. Sumpah tadi gue main ML, HP gue lihat sendiri kan kayak mana. Ya. Live streaming aja itu sumpah Pak, gambarnya pecah-pecah itu Pak. Pecah banget gambarnya. Kadang bagus, kadang aku kan setting di 720 kan. Aduh, ketemu divisi 4 lagi. Setting di 720, kadang tiba-tiba burik banget. Kadang bagus. Tapi saya nggak tahu kayak gitu. Kenapa? Tuh, segala bocor. Ya kan parah sumpah. HP-mu emang Android berapa, Pak? Android berapa HP-nya? Versi Android-nya maksudnya. Oke, ini dia lawannya kayaknya mainnya bagus-bagus juga deh. Oke. Zela Ryan, Florian Wirtz, Andres Iniesta, Carvajal, Beckenbauer, Cellini, Marcos Alonso, Buffon, Filippo Inzaghi, Locatelli, Andres Iniesta. Lupa gue, iya Pak, berat banget Pak itu Pak. Kayaknya live streaming. Atau nggak bikin kontennya bro? Ya kalau Oppo A12 nggak tahu lah. Saya tidak pakai Oppo soalnya. Apa namanya, seri Oppo tuh banyak banget. Kayak serinya ini, serinya si Samsung kan banyak banget kan itu, sampai bingung. Kalau iPhone kan gampang kan bedainnya kan. Kalau iPhone 7, 8, XR, SE kan gampang kan bedainnya kan. Bagus, untung kolong. Loh, nggak kesana. Lihat aja di Google, gue mau ngomong nangis. Bro, bikin konten aja berarti kalau gitu. Bikin konten nyerang. Kayak ini si WJ. Si apa? Siapa tuh yang sekarang tuh Ciduk kayak si Ciduk. Bikin konten sekali nyerang, 2 kali nyerang. Gitu aja, jangan berat-berat dulu. Terus habis itu itunya diupload, videonya di TikTok. Set, nge-lag banget. Bagus. Ih, kok nggak dapet? Di. Itu sih nggak masuk akal Pak. Streamingsnya Pak, lihat aja streamingsnya.
Get your seatbelts on. This could be rather exciting. Well, we've seen the hunger to win it back and the focus to make it count. A very tasty combination.
Arsenal trail at this early stage. How will they respond? Zela Ryan. Oh, good read. De Jong.
Yes. Otavio, come on. Crossing, Neymar, tandukan banteng merah. Rada males gue main COC kalau dibuat konten. Berarti ya yang enak aja Pak dibuat konten Pak. FF. Tapi kontennya konten gameplay, jangan jedak-jeduk kependekan Pak. Kayaknya. Atau enggak lu udah bisa ini belum bikin YouTube Short? YouTube Short udah bisa buat belum? Kalau saya belum bisa Pak, YouTube Short. Halo Bang, halo Herni, selamat datang kembali. Herni udah pernah kesini kan ya? Saya ingat pernah nyebut nama Herni. Tuh langsung. Udahlah. Yo, salah. Kenapa nggak ke Otavio aja tuh? Ayo Otavio, come on. Locatelli. Ke kiri ada Marcos Alonso. Kembalikan pada Locatelli, Florian Wirtz, Filippo Inzaghi. Backnya bagus banget. Romario. Tunggu aja. Savio,
Could
come
move
on.
up a gear here.
Terlalu
That's a key interception.
terlalu maksa.
Vince.
Sabaran,
It's all a little bit
sabar.
desperate,
Sabar
but it's
dikit,
got
sabar
the
dikit.
job done.
You know, it was an intervention that had to
Aduh.
be made. Serious trouble lay in store.
Bagus, Thomas Partey.
Roberto Carlos.
Ayo jangan nge-lag lagi. Nge-lag.
Well, the defense proved infallible there.
Kalau buat
But
shot
that
bingung
won't be the last they'll see
shot
of him.
bingung apa sih? Bingung juga gua. Abis bikin apa ya?
No, the ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance.
Kalau streaming kayak gitu. Bikin video
Slightly better ball would have led to a very different
bingung.
outcome there.
Kayak mana ya?
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
Hampir aja gol itu. Alhamdulillah.
Plenty of appeals, but the referee is not
Sayang
interested.
banget.
Oh, dear,
Loh,
listen,
kok bisa
that
dapet dia?
pass the better.
Romario.
Inzaghi, who's set up one goal so far.
Romario. Ini siapa? Florian Wirtz. Ke kanan ada Carvajal. Overlap dia.
He's managed to pinch it off him.
Bagus. Ayo, come on.
Now who's going to be first to this?
Kenapa nggak lewat itu?
Now it's Vince.
Untung
That's been
bagus banget Ming.
intercepted.
Dan Gideon. Florian Wirtz. Come on.
A real chance to break.
Inzaghi, Filippo, Neymar itu.
Now it's Neymar. Look at the space here.
Ya ampun. Nge-lag banget, Pak. Sumpah delay banget.
Oh, well played. He needed to get that right.
Yes.
Oh, that's such a good run.
Crossing.
More of that, please.
Tanduk. Lo nggak ada yang nanduk.
Nice ball.
Neymar.
Neymar.
Shooting.
And again.
Aduh. Gue out dulu, mau lobby FF, ntar kalau sempet kesini lagi. Oke, terima kasih Mas Arjono, terima kasih.
Inzaghi.
Wah, apa itu Pak? Ngapain dia itu si Inzaghi? Lu kalau nonton mau bagus ini ya pakai 720 ya, jangan lupa ya. Emang settingannya kadang nggak auto 720 gitu loh.
And that interception was most necessary. Fiddles it
Ih,
through.
bagus banget umpannya.
It's loose and there's a race for the ball.
Ih. Ayolah.
Well seen. Saw that coming.
Ngapain itu Pak?
Romario.
Sumpah ini nge-lag
And
banget.
it's been taken straight back.
Kan.
Otavio.
Emang kelihatannya sih lancar, cuma apa namanya? Pas mencet silang misalkan, barnya udah keluar, mencetnya kapan, tapi nendangnya kapan? Dapet nih.
Gets away from his opponents. And the shot.
Kok bisa nggak masuk? Oke,
And the
corner
kick-up passes
terakhir
the test.
di babak pertama.
Inzaghi sparked a tremendous stop there.
Dia
and I
nge-lag
think
juga
it's
tuh.
fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
Hampir aja dapet. Bagus Thomas Partey.
Turns and goes back. De Jong.
Mm.
Was certainly sturdy.
Nge-lag banget Pak,
We hit
sumpah.
half-time. So a very watchable
Lah,
game
dah,
so
apa-apa.
far.
Masih ada
Action
babak
at
2.
both ends and
Satu
the
sama
team's
juga.
level. How would you review the first half?
Look, this match promised goals, and it certainly hasn't let us down. It's been really entertaining.
So both teams heading off for the break. An interesting game has brewed up here. Hoping perhaps for a little bit more from both parties in the second half. But the score at half-time is 1-1. Already up and running for the second half.
Dapet sih.
Arsenal clearly have been the better side for me. Yeah, I know the score doesn't quite reflect it, but if they go about their game in the same manner as the opening 45 minutes,
Locatelli.
things really should improve.
Beckenbauer.
Arsenal upping the intensity here, having lost possession.
Yeah, it's actually very good pressing. They want it back as quickly as they can get it,
untung aja.
and they're hunting in packs to do just that.
Good to watch.
It really is. It's rugged and robust, but it still needs plenty of intelligence and teamwork.
And he's in a really good
Masih
position
ada
here
komen lagi
now.
bentar. Sabar Pak.
Chooses to go back.
No.
Iniesta! Superb goal!
Halo Bang Halo. Aduh, kok namanya kayak
Dependability is
gitu?
one thing, and he brings that to his game. But
Kenapa
that
namanya
sort of
kayak gitu,
dynamism
Pak?
is another attribute he's blessed with, and it's
Mau nyebut
revealed
namanya
on a
jadi ini,
regular
nggak enak,
basis
Pak.
too. Superb.
And that will surely go down as
Jadi
one of
enak
the
kan
easiest
nyebutnya.
goals he could ever score.
Well, the finish looked a guarantee once he was found all alone.
Ah,
It's criminal
halo
defending.
Bang, halo Fikri. Nah, kan kalau namanya
Liverpool go into the lead.
Fikri bisa di ini. Kalau
He's managed
itu
to get himself offside.
rada risih ntar. Bener. Kok kepikiran aja pakai nama kayak gitu.
Oh, good read.
Bagus.
Can he get away here?
Ih.
Zelarayán.
Hai Bang, halo Gunawan Gaming.
Still they
Selamat
trail,
malam.
and time is ticking away.
Gunawan kayak teman saya, Pak.
Marcos Alonso is wide and looking to get onto this.
Marcos Alonso. Overlap dia,
That's
harusnya
good
belakangnya
defending,
kosong.
very good
Oh,
defending.
gading.
Some terrific
Masih ada 3
running on the
back.
ball there. Those efforts
Aduh,
are
Too much pressure for him to get the shot away.
Ih, bagus.
well seen. Saw
Ya,
that
ampun
coming.
nama tuh.
Liverpool
Tiba-tiba.
2 up and into a position of real strength.
That has the feeling of a breath of fresh air,
Ah,
Peter, and now they
internetnya
can
emang.
fill their lungs and just blow them away.
Florian Wirtz.
That
Ah, kok
interception
dapat aja sih dia.
was most
Kayak
necessary.
gitu.
And here's the chance to counter. Now it's Romario.
Alah. Udah masuk ini
And
mah.
he's away.
Udah gol
There's a
ini.
good bit of- can he finish?
Untung aja.
Oh, the
Oliver
ball's
Kahn.
run loose here.
Bagus. Dapat dong Roberto
Liverpool
Carlos.
have it back and they can go again.
Aduh, nge-lag banget. Sumpah.
Neymar. And that's been intercepted.
Alamak.
And they're not going to make any further progress
Locatelli.
now.
Bagus Frankie De Jong. Baru
That's been won
dipuji.
straight back. Oh, he's
Wirtz.
picked out the
Ih, bagus
runner.
banget umpannya.
Oh, this through ball looks good.
Bang, kok nge-lag? Iya, emang ininya. Gamenya. Dari gamenya. Bukan dari streamingnya. Streamingnya sih aman.
Beckenbauer.
Cuma gamenya aja ini.
75
Nge-lag.
minutes played.
Suaraku lancar kan tapi.
Mario delivering the goods as expected.
Well, having that sort of player in your side is reassuring because the rest of the team knows he can
Ntar
make his
saya
influence
main ini
counted
aja
at
lah,
a
main
stage.
FIFA dah.
It's simply
FIFA
part of his
19.
package. When he really wants to, this fella scores.
Beckenbauer. Well seen.
Suaranya delay,
Saw
Pak.
that
Ah,
coming.
masa? Suaranya delay. Masih delay nggak sekarang?
And here's Inzaghi.
Ini.
Whistle's gone, that's foul.
Foul. Oke.
Now this is a potential flashpoint and the
Ayo,
referee has
Neymar
his
nih,
hands
Neymar.
full.
Ayo.
Well, it was deliberate, it was cynical, and you have to understand the frustration of being denied a clear up.
Ai, tipis. Game apa, Bang? Game eFootball, Ginting. eFootball ini, eFootball 2022. Gratis kok. Ada di PS sama di PC. Di HP belum.
Carvajal. And he's straight off.
Delay, Bang. Aduh, gimana ya? Kalau delay ya? Hah, coba bentar. Coba bentar ya. Aku cek dulu. Suaraku delay ya?
And it's Iniesta. Vitz.
Wah, ini parah sih. Nge-lag-nya sih parah sih, Pak, ini, Pak.
Here's Locatelli.
Ini sih parah, Pak.
Ball
Nge-lag-nya, Pak.
forward and quickly so.
Sumpah ini nge-lag.
Romario.
Nge-lag-nya sih parah.
Pull past that, sloppy.
Wah,
And
parah
here's
banget ini.
Inzaghi. And that interception was most necessary.
Udah gue subs, Bang. Terima kasih. Terima kasih banyak Ginting.
And that's
Terima
caused
kasih.
Romario too.
I think his face
Berarti
smacks
sekarang
of
124.
disbelief as opposed
Iya,
to
betul.
disappointment.
124
He thought
sekarang.
he was about to score.
124 subscriber, 125 justru. Mantap, terima kasih yang sudah subscribe. Walaupun main yang nge-lag kayak gini. Kayak siapa yang menonton game-game nge-lag kayak gini?
Locatelli. Liverpool clearly now in lead preservation mode.
Masih delay dong. Bang, bentar dulu bentar.
And it's Locatelli.
Gimana ya? Gimana dong kalau delay kayak gini? Settingnya nggak bisa, kayak emang internetnya aja. Internet saya.
Marcos Alonso.
Ntar dulu deh, abis ini coba saya
It's
ini.
Vitz. Well, that looks a foul. Yeah,
Gambarnya
referee's
kadang
given it.
hancur. Iya, memang internetnya lagi ini soalnya lagi hujan, Pak.
And it's Iniesta.
Abis ini kita ini aja deh, aku off stream dulu.
Balotelli.
Abis ini ganti
Oh,
game
it's
ya.
not getting there.
Ganti game aja, main FIFA aja lah.
And the number on the board is 3.
Main FIFA aja, main FIFA. FIFA 19 tapi.
Can he finish?
Kan. Live TikTok aja, Bang, biar rame. Kalau dari PS gak bisa live TikTok, Pak.
And the lead is extended still further. A momentary lapse exploited with glee. Liverpool, no question that's a foul.
Iya, Bang. Abis ini aja ya, apa namanya, ganti game nih abis match ini nih.
Sometimes a loose foul can trigger a completely different
Jadi saya
style
off stream
play,
dulu,
and,
paling 5 menitan
makes
udah
even
ada
less
lagi kok live
sense.
streamnya. Santai aja. Jadi tungguin aja. Cuma 5 menit kok. YouTube udah sepi sekarang, iya
And
Pak.
that's that.
YouTube sekarang sepi.
Outmuscled,
Sekarang orang
outmaneuvered,
TikTok tuh,
outwitted.
aduh,
They just
bener-bener.
couldn't find any way into the
Ganti
game.
FIFA aja, FIFA-nya
And they are
FIFA 19 ya.
comprehensively beaten.
Gak apa nih, FIFA 19. Kagak ada lagi soalnya. Kita main career mode dari EFL League 2. Oke, jangan kemana-mana ya. Saya off stream dulu, saya ganti. Oke. Tapi nggak ada view nih.